Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoy this week's plan with me. I'm planning in my Recollections Vertical Weekly Planner with a mini kit from Glam Planner called Fleur. Beautiful pastel light colored art that I mixed silver and rose gold foil with. You'll see that I alternated silver and gold bougie boxes and tried to pull in a mixture of silver and rose gold, throughout the spread. Most of my full box overlays in rose gold are from the Glam Planner foil binder bundle sheet that has the rose gold full boxes on it. The two foiled scripts in the sidebar are from Reductox, as is the bow foil overlay in rose gold on the bottom of the spread, on the floral, over the floral bottom washi. I used some other corner overlays from Scribble Prints Co. And my date dots are rose gold date circles, old ones by Erin Condren. I'm starting the day by day, zoomed in there for you a little bit. Rather than chatting through the stairs, I wanted to kind of go over a highlight from each day just to make things a little bit more interesting to listen to. I know a lot of planners in this community like to kind of have videos on in the background and listen, so I am making a little bit more of an effort to talk through videos, which is not my first inclination. I'm not a big talker, so bear with me as I kind of try to figure this out. Monday was a bit more hectic than anticipated. This week began our sort of end of the year conferences / virtual visits. Through our preschool program, we have sort of end of the year summative visits to go over assessment results and expectations for kindergarten with families. So those started this week, and those are always a little bit extra, add a little bit of extra just things to my to-do list. It's not like super hectic or anything. It's just I have to be a little bit more on than I'm used to, and answer questions from families, which is all fine. You know, I'm not hesitant to answer questions, but I just have to be more on than usual. Monday we also had a plumber come to our house to fix a clogged toilet. We had placed the call on Saturday after we noticed that the master bathroom toilet was clogged. I put too much cat litter in there accidentally over the past 6 months that we've had George Bailey, our cat. So we had a lovely technician from FH Fur come out and unclog our toilet on Monday, and yeah, that was the main event for Monday. I marked here on Tuesday that I went to pick up a prescription. That did not wind up happening until Wednesday, because Tuesday wound up being more full of meetings, and a couple of extra conferences got scheduled on Tuesday than I had originally anticipated. Families asking to just move things around, which is fine. Just get more of it done earlier in the week, which is fine by me. So I was kind of tired after work, so I didn't wind up going to pick up my prescription until Wednesday afternoon. But I did go that was kind of my main event for Wednesday. I did drive over to my doctor's office and pick up my prescription. It's really nice because at my doctor's office you're able to do curbside pickup, so I just have to call ahead, let them know that I'm coming, and then they'll get my prescription ready and I can drive up and pick it up curbside with a mask on and everything, obviously. So yeah, that was one of the main events for Wednesday. I did also get lots of Happy Mail this week. I marked it twice with rose gold scripts from Kenzie's Creations and emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. Just trying to use up that sheet. I received a lot of orders this week from Scribble Prints Co. Trying to remember who else. Simply a Mess, I think. My big Simply Gilded washi order came in. I ordered a bunch of washi. I intended a bunch of bow washi specifically, intending to use it in my B6 as bottom washi. I also got a mauve colored large sticker book from them to use to store my B6 sheets or kits, whatever I plan to use specifically for my B6, just so I was able to kind of separate B6 stuff from my sort of general memory planner kits, because those kits are larger and it helps my brain to have them separated a little bit. So I did work on a bit of organization for both my washi and kits on Thursday, because a third washi organizer plastic box thing arrived from Amazon on Thursday. So I did get a chance to work on that, but I didn't do the actual organization of my washi until Friday morning. Even though the box arrived on Thursday, I didn't get a chance to get around to opening it and organizing things until Friday morning. I got up a little early and did that before work. Friday was pretty relaxing. My husband was considered quote-unquote immune. He was 2 weeks out from his second COVID shot on Friday, so that was exciting. But we really didn't do much. We really just kind of chilled, and we ordered Chick-fil-A and watched Scrubs on Friday evening. On Saturday, my cat woke me up early, as always. I was kind of in my feelings this day. I think it's just hormones. I'm about to start my period, so TMI. But and my husband and I just had a really relaxing morning, and then we drove over to my mom's house. She doesn't live too far, but it can be kind of trafficy on the way from our house to her house. We drove over there to help her out and cat sit for her. She's out of town visiting her family, so we went and took care of her cat on Saturday. The drive was especially irksome just because the AC in my car is not currently working, so that was fun. Yeah, and then we came home. We got Starbucks at Starbucks drive-thru near us on the way home, and when we got home we ordered pizza and watched Notting Hill. On Sunday, I'm currently recording this voiceover on Sunday morning, first thing in the morning. I am planning to just do some relaxing this morning, have my coffee. I'm going to finish up this video and get it scheduled for tomorrow, we need to clean, just tidy up to kind of get ready for our cleaners that are coming tomorrow afternoon. We're very fortunate to have a cleaning service that comes to clean our house now on Mondays. And this evening we'll just watch Scrubs, and I used a little munchkin to mark that. Little munchkin with a mask to mark watching Scrubs. And that Netflix and chill script is from Scribble Prince Co. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a bit more chatty than usual. So if you have any questions about stickers, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And have a great week. Peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye-bye.